Alright, so yesterday I went to Green Hills Shopping Center at 10 a.m. Right when the mall opens, and I got this baby, the new iPad Pro 2020, 11-inch, 256 gigabytes. I don't know, for me the 12.9 was a bit too big and defeats the purpose of having a tablet. So in a nutshell. And I also have the iPad Magic Keyboard, the highly coveted iPad Magic Keyboard. So today I'm gonna film an unboxing, and this is the first of many iPad videos, so hit the subscribe button if you want to follow through with the other videos on owning an iPad Pro plus the Magic Keyboard, and hit the like button if you like this video or you found it useful. Let's get to it. Alright, so we'll start with the iPad Pro. A quick look at the box. So you've got iPad Pro on both lengths, and we've got the Apple logo on the other sides. And then we've got all the information here as well. 256, Wi-Fi version, 11-inch. And let's unbox it. So the thing with buying an iPad in the Philippines is they usually like to open the box for you at the store. So they want to check if the screen is not cracked and there aren't any screen issues. Just to be safe, I let them actually peel out the plastic outside layer. So we can just open it like this. As you can feel, it's very airtight, like any Apple product. If you've opened one before, you can really feel the air going in. So that's the lid. And immediately you are greeted with the iPad Pro with a nice little pull tab here. So just pull it out. And there it is, iPad Pro 2020. Alright, before we open this, we can proceed with what else is in the box. We've got some documentation, you can see here. And then, yeah, it comes with, some nice starter guides. And yeah, no one usually goes through these, but maybe if you're interested, there you have it. Next thing is some more warnings and instructions that you probably need to read, but yeah, not much of a reader. Next thing is, of course, the Apple stickers. They're larger than I remember. Maybe it's because it's for the iPad. And that's it. That's everything that's inside this designed by Apple in California box. Very high quality. Up next, we've got the charger and the USB Type-C C2C cable wrapped very nicely, as you can see here. And we've also got, it looks to be 18 watts. It's Type-C, of course. That's it for the box. I think that's it. Nothing else here, just this plastic. So apparently most of this space is not really used. So yeah, I don't know what to think about that. Alright, so that's the iPad Pro. Let's peel this off. Wow, that was beautiful. That was amazing. Okay. Alright, so I put the iPad Pro here, let it sit there for a while. And up next, we've got the iPad Magic Keyboard. So it comes with this nice little small pull tab here. I'm not sure if it's focusing. There it is. Very nice pull tab, so maybe it's better if I open it around here. No need for unboxing knives with Apple products, so that's a very Apple thing. Okay, that's the plastic. Okay, here's the rest of the box. And nothing on all sides. Okay. Okay, let's try to lift this outer box. So just like the iPad Pro itself, it's very airtight. And it also has a nice pull tab up here. So that's, wow, you can feel the weight. It's heavy, guys. This Magic Keyboard is no joke. If you plan to get the 12.9, it's gonna be way heavier than it already is. So this Magic Keyboard is just, it's hefty. You can feel the weight. You can definitely, it's significant, you know? Let's start opening with this pull tab up here. Okay. Okay, so that's it for this. And all right, oh my goodness. So that is very high quality. The hinge is no joke. This thing is super like well built, I would say. Wow, I did not expect this. Like, I thought it would be like really fast, like bam. But this is like, you need to really apply a lot of force, which probably enables you to have different angles when using the iPad. That's a nice design concept from Apple. And inside we've got the design by Apple in California again. It's a cardboard, very dense cardboard, I would say. Very high quality again. You lift that up. And you've got the actual Magic Keyboard up here. Okay, wow. Okay, if you hear that, wow. This reminds me of the 16-inch MacBook Pro that I tried at the store. There's quite a lot of key travel actually, if you consider the thickness of this keyboard. So there's that. Put this here for a while, and inside this thing, in the pull tab, so another pull tab. Apple loves pull tabs, so it's very usable. And again, same. You've got documentation inside this designed by Apple in California box, and the iPad Magic Keyboard starter guide. Just some images for your instruction and some warnings as well. And oh, now you have your warranty information as well over here. And that's it for all the papers. So I'm gonna try booting up the iPad. And let's see how it connects to the Magic Keyboard for the first time. Oh man, this is monumental. Like, I mean, I saw it in the ads a few months ago, but okay, this is the first time I'm gonna dock the iPad Pro into the Magic Keyboard. Wow. 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 Look at this thing. It's like a laptop. Wow. And it's hefty. Like, it's no joke. Wow. This is amazing. Oh my goodness. Okay. So now I'm gonna try booting up the iPad for the first time. Well, technically it's the second time because they had to test the screen at the store. So hopefully it has enough juice to power up. There we have it, the Apple logo. All right, excited to use my new iPad. So one thing you're gonna see is the Apple logo is actually horizontal, even if it's docked like this. So yeah, it's probably too much work if they integrate like auto rotate at this point of the boot screen. So yeah, just something, you know. And I'm gonna set this up real quick. Oh, wow. I've tried the other keyboards at the Power Mac Center. Most keyboards don't have this backlight illumination, and this one does. Like, look at that. I mean, I've seen all the videos, but I didn't expect. Yeah, I just didn't expect it myself. So, yeah, I was pretty amazed. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna try out setting this up. All right, so setting up. Maybe I can show you a few steps before I enter my personal information. So again, first thing you see is the language selection. So I'm gonna select English and my country. And we have a quick start. If you have an iPhone or a previous iPad, you can sign in and set up. Okay, interesting. Make sure it's running iOS 11. Oh no. So I actually have this iPad mini too, and I think it runs iOS 10.2. So I'm not sure if this is applicable to this quick setup. So let me try to put it back because I think I saw something, but it went away super fast. Make sure the Bluetooth is on. Oh, what? I did not expect this to happen, guys. Like, this is running 10.2 and they're expecting iOS 11 or later. So, wow, okay. Continue. And waiting for other iPad. And we've got the hold your new iPad up to the camera, position the pattern in the circle. So I'm gonna try that real quick. Okay, so I'm going through this setup process with you guys. Pretty much all the way. This is amazing. Enter your passcode for your other iPad. So I'm gonna do that. Maybe this one I'm gonna do off screen. Sorry guys. And I've entered my passcode. So yeah, so this is the process if you're gonna set up your new iPad with another iPad, basically. So it may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. So it's probably migrating some information as well as probably downloading some things from the internet. I don't know, so I'm going through this process with you guys. Okay, Face ID. I'm sure you know about this. It's Apple's biometrics login. So basically you use your face as your biometrics login. So I'm gonna tap continue. Okay, I need to rotate to portrait mode. So now you see how clunky the Magic Keyboard setup gets. How to set up Face ID. So this is what it looks like on the iPad Pro. And I'm gonna get started and I guess start inputting my face. So it says move your head slowly to complete the circle. All right. Face ID scan complete. Continue. "20 inches. How long is 20 inches? All right, Face ID now set up. This is what it looks like. And continue. So the iPad actually comes with around almost 80% battery when you unbox it. So I guess that's something to take note of. And if you can see over here, it was actually able to get the Wi-Fi information from my iPad mini into the iPad Pro. So I don't need to enter the password anymore. That's really convenient. All right, so apps and data. You know what? Maybe I'll just undock this. Oh wait, so it works on landscape mode as well. So I guess I can continue using it like this. Restore from iCloud, restore from PC or Mac, move data from Android, or don't transfer data. Maybe I'll start with a clean install. It's fine. So it may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. So there it is. These are terms and conditions. So I'm gonna pretend I'm reading these. Agree. Can you actually tap on these? No. Customize settings. Sure, I'll enable these. And I'm sure, why not? App analytics, sure, why not? True tone, so this is the it adapts to the ambient light in the room or different environments that you're in. No, it's fine. I want to try that. And for any device, actually, I go for dark mode. So wow, look at that! Wow, that was wow. Look at that! Wow, I like that how they do that. Wow. Okay, continue. And go home, so you do that. Well, now you know. Okay, continue. Quick access dock, yeah. So this is basically Apple teaching you the different iPad gestures, because yeah, it took me a while to learn them as well, but yeah, I mean, I've been using this iPad and there were some missing features. So when I was testing these iPads at Power Mac Center, I was able to like dabble with it and try the different navigation and multitasking and basically these gestures over here. So let's see if they're gonna actually teach every single gesture, or it's just like the basic ones, like again, switching between recent apps. So let's proceed. Quick access, so you do this. Okay, so it's in tutorial mode, so you don't have it yet. Quick access control. And you are welcome to your iPad. Well, I'm welcome to my iPad, so you need to buy your own iPad. So, welcome to iPad. Swipe up to get started. Oh, okay. So the first thing pops up, use this device when sharing your location. Okay, sure, why not? Okay, so this is the iPad Pro 2020. And yeah, that was the setup process. I hope you found this video helpful, or, you know, hope you like following the experience with me. And yeah, I mean, now you know what it's like to set up and unbox an iPad Pro plus the Magic Keyboard. So again, it doesn't show on camera so well because it looks like it's just white, but it's actually really backlit, like you can see. It's brighter. It's very hard to tell on video actually, but see, now it's off, and then tap it and it's on. So you see the difference, right? So it's really hard to tell on video, I think, when you watch other unboxing videos. So yeah, there you have it. And I'm gonna use this iPad Pro for maybe a week first and let you know how my experience is like with a review. Yeah, that was a totally casual and sort of in-depth unboxing and setup of the iPad Pro 2020. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please like the video and you can subscribe if you want to check out and get updates when I upload those review videos. Also, I'm also gonna upload a video on how to actually acquire an iPad Pro 2020 before it's released in Power Mac Center or Beyond the Box, these large-scale Apple retailers. That's gonna be the next video. Hope you like it. Subscribe if you want to see those. Alright, so again, that was the iPad Pro and Magic Keyboard unboxing. Please stay tuned for the rest of the videos. I'll probably upload a video on how to acquire or how to buy an iPad Pro 2020 in the Philippines. It's actually hard to acquire these because, well, these have been announced a while back, right? But I'm not sure if it's like a supply chain issue due to the virus, but it's just almost impossible to get these. I'm gonna share to you a video on how I got this and how I got this iPad at 57,000 pesos. That's 256 gigabytes for the Wi-Fi only model. And I got the Magic Keyboard at 18,000 pesos. Prices are very competitive actually compared to most of the stores I asked. I'm gonna teach you where I got it and hopefully you get a lot of value from this video. So with the times now, people are working from home more often. Obviously, if you're in the market for a laptop or some device, iPad Pro is actually perfect for that. So that's why I decided to get it, and hopefully I can use this for most of my work, most of my tasks that I do, plus maybe some gaming on the side. I mean, why not? Because the Apple's App Store is rich with games. I'm gonna check that out. If you're gonna work from home and you're looking for a device and you've chosen the iPad, please wait for the next video on how to actually acquire it very soon. If you don't want to wait for Apple or the large-scale retailers like Power Mac Center or Beyond the Box, because I asked Power Mac Center if they'll be stocking the iPad Pro anytime soon. They just said there's no date yet as to when the iPad Pro 2020 version will be available at the stores. So that's for Power Mac Center. And for Beyond the Box, the salesman I asked yesterday, he said that they plan to release the iPad Pro 2020 by August 5 in the Philippines. So August 5, June 20 was when I got this device. So far, looks pretty amazing. And yeah, it was actually really difficult to wait all the way until today to unbox it and actually use the device. But yeah, so far I'm really happy. This device is beautiful. I guess iPad OS is also pretty beautiful. Magic Keyboard as well is really nice. I'll be making more iPad videos to follow, and I hope you enjoy my content. But that's it for now. Wow, wait, this is actually significant, the weight. I mean, I'm glad, I got the 11, but wow, it's dense, it's not insignificant, I would say. But okay, again, thank you for watching. If you liked the video or found it useful, please like the video and maybe leave some comments if you have any questions on owning an iPad Pro and basically using it on a day-to-day basis. Let me know in the comments. I'll try to answer your questions, basically. There you have it, the 11-inch 256 iPad Pro 2020 and the Magic Keyboard. Thanks for watching.